everybody, what's up? It's Snow and this is Snowbytheday, and today we have an unboxing. This unboxing will be with Filofax. Yes, I ordered me a new A5 for the new school year coming up, and I wanted something flexible, and it's really hard to find that, so I found it with Philo. So let's get right into this unboxing. Look. Is a Filofax POP A5 organizer in the color berry. And let's take this off with the snapback, baby. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. So this is what we have. Don't ask me if this is leather or not. I doubt it. I hope that it's not leather, because let's save the cows as much as we can. It's so cute, y'all. Look at that. And it did come with inserts. It does have like the emblem. It's so dope. Let's open this baby up. Ooh. So cute. So I automatically realized that it has pin loops. I've never had a planner with pin loops, and they have it on both sides. How generous, Filofax. That was so nice of them. So cute. Take this out the pocket. It doesn't have secretarial, what's it called? It doesn't have secretarial pockets or like card pockets, but that's good and great for me because I tend to junk up stuff, and so if I don't have room or opportunity to hide stuff in, then you know, it helps me bring down the clutter. So cute, y'all. So cute. So it did come with inserts. I have purchased some inserts. I bought some from Lights Planner Action. I'm waiting for those to come in. But I did think it was nice for them to put in some inserts, because you know, some companies, they'll leave you high and dry, baby. They'll just give you the planner and be like, fill it up yourself. So this is cute. Once again, it's the Filofax POP. Cute. A little translucent. Oh, that's cute. So I can just take that off and just keep that. That's cute. And it has the design on that, and then the purple lines. That's cute. The tabs are really cute though. I might have to incorporate the tabs. And I never really seen tabs that have the numbers on them. Usually they're just blank, so that must be a part of the Filofax system. Cute though. It's cute though. So I got a pink, purple, blue, turquoise, aqua, mint. Cute. And then I have some dot grid paper, some to-do sheets. These are not the cutest, but you know, paper is paper. Oh, these are bound together. So I have some to-do sheets, colored paper, like a teal, a bright like peppermint green, pink. Then I have just grid paper. This is cute. Just some white plain paper. I'm so excited to fill this up, y'all. Oh, some little contact sheets, pull through contact sheets. I like that. This will be so good since I am doing a lot of online shopping, which I will tell y'all, I've been starting to enjoy it. This will be good for putting like shops and stuff. Should be really good. Oh, they gave me some little stickers. How nice. Some little stickers. I got stencil. Let me pull out the stickers so y'all can see. Stickers. Little cheapo stickers. But thank you. A stencil. with the alphabets, numbers, and some shapes. Probably won't use that. Filofax ruler. Dope. It's like a cobalt blue. And a pouch. Oh, it's a top loader. Top loading pouch. It's cute. And then you have the back, another pocket, and your pin loop. This is so dope, y'all. Look at this. This is quality. I'm so excited to fill this up. I want y'all to stay tuned because I'm gonna be filming my planner setup in this, and I'm gonna be doing that with Thrifty Crafty Queen here on YouTube, and that's her name on IG. We're gonna be doing a collaboration, and we're both gonna be setting up our new A5, so make sure y'all stay tuned for this. But I really just wanted to show y'all, not much just to show off, but really for like informational purposes, because I could not find this Filofax POP video anywhere, like nobody, and I don't believe that nobody has it, like it's not selling. They came in 2 more other colors, I believe, and they're all bright, and they all have different colors on the inside. But yeah, everything is cute. This is dope. Give me a thumbs up. I hope y'all subscribe, especially subscribe so you can catch up on the planner setup. Since you've already been invested in this video, might as well click subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all next time. Deuces.